Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 22nd through March 6th. March 22nd to 26th, the flow will consist of a ridge, a very strong ridge near the Aleutians. We have a trough extending here across northern Canada into the western U.S., and we have a very strong ridge over the southeast with above normal heights in the east, and this ridge will gradually suppress. Now I want to take a look at this. This is a graphic. This shows, what is this? This is the GFS heights trend. And then this one is the height preferences. But we still have this ridge here over the southeast, and this ridge will gradually be suppressed to the south and weaken as we go through the period. Okay. Heavy rainfall is forecast from the Arctic region into the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. Rainfall amounts of 4 to 6 inches is forecast from northeast Texas to southern Arkansas. Models are indicating additional rainfall likely over these regions into possibly this weekend. Snow will be likely from the Great Lakes into the Midwest and sections of the West. In the east, temperatures could reach anomalies of 25 degrees above normal. The west central states remain cold with anomalies of 20 degrees below normal. February 25th to March 1st. Here we are at the 25th. And the flow is somewhat amplified, but we might have a west-southwest flow across the east central states. We have our ridge here. And as we go through the days, we come to March 1st. See, the flow kind of flattens, but still amplified here due to a deep trough over the west. We still have our ridge here, and we're starting to see positive height anomalies develop across this region here. We'll talk about that later in the next period. And then we look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast, with anomalies of 8 degrees or more are possible. And we have above normal temperatures for the eastern U.S. and expected anomalies to be about 4 to 8 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 55%, 35% here, 55% here. And we have below normal precipitation for most of the Rockies. Probability of occurrence is 45%. March 2nd to the 6th. Now, I wanted to show here, this are the indices. The AO remains, it will be negative during this time frame. Also, the NAO, you can see here, and then we look at the ensemble's forecast. It's supposed to go negative. Now, on the other hand, the PNA is also negative, but this hasn't been a very good indicator of our winter so far. So there will be somewhat of a change occurring, and I'm going to show you that. I talked about this on Saturday, rather. Okay, so we're going to go to March 2nd. And then we go through the period, we come to the 5th, and you can see we have positive height anomalies here, positive height anomalies here, a trough here, above normal heights, and now we have a trough over the Western Atlantic. And we go through the rest of the models, they're all indicating above normal heights here. So this is the best I can come with up now, is near to below normal temperatures are forecast for much of the nation. Anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees are forecast. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the Northwest. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And we have below normal precipitation for the plains, the middle and lower Mississippi Valley. Probability of occurrence is 45%. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for February 22nd to March 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.